Ladies and gentlemen, I give you birds. They're everywhere. Up, let's see, there we go. It's winter time and oh my gosh, it's a lot of birds. Look at all of them. Thousands of them, and it's winter time here in Idaho. There's thousands of them everywhere. Chirping. No. It's amazing. You probably can't tell on the video camera, but or at least not too well. There's several hundred of them on the roof of that house. Several thousand on the ground. All those little black dots that look like bugs are birds. Unusual amount for the wintertime. Oh, look, they're flying again. They're flying again.